Are you tired of missing important emails because they're buried under junk? Learn how to put them first in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click in Gmail settings to enable Important First mode. Follow these simple steps. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Click the gear icon at the top right to open Settings. Click See All Settings to open the full settings panel. Click the Inbox tab at the top bar. Locate the Inbox Type section. Click the drop-down menu next to it. Choose Important First. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now your Gmail inbox will show emails marked as important at the top. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.